Yes.
Come back in one piece.
We'll go for a
Fine
ride.
and night, Kashmiri woman get married.
No.
The purpose of the meet was to
Test the Senna and check each other's bike. So hello people, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. So we're in my gym cum garage cum all extracurricular activities room. So yes, after I showed you the gym setup, I haven't showed you much in this room. I got this pull-up bar from Amazon online basically. It's from the company called as Core Fitness. See this? Core Fitness. So I got this and this flooring. I am using the gym, not completely regular, but yeah, I use it at least four times a week. I just travel here and there and I'm late in the night and don't wake up in the morning, so things like that happen. That's okay, but today we're going to fix some new tires to the Royal Enfield Bullet 500. So let's go ahead and see what we've got. I've already gone and purchased the Timsun Tyres, both the front and the rear. We need to go and get these tires fixed as we have some rides coming up. I think in the next video you will see the preparation for the ride, or you might be seeing me on the road. Not sure, I have very little time. I need to do a lot of packing. I haven't started anything. I think that will hold them together until we reach the service center. Let's shift to motovlogging setup. So this is my first motovlog video with the GoPro Hero 9. Never done this before. I'm not sure how I'm not sure about the angle. Not sure how the frame is, since I'm not using any extra mounts and the audio as well. I've just placed the mic and this is going to be the first trial run with the GoPro Hero 9. Yeah, the bungee cord and the Indiranagar straps, the ROK straps, they're holding the tire pretty sturdy. The ROK straps are excellent. They just tie down anything. I can feel the weight of the GoPro when I have mounted it to my helmet. I need to get used to it. All these days I was using the Senna, so I had no idea how this would feel. I can feel a little weight and the helmet tilting down forward, but yeah, I think I should get used to it. I have made some last minute plans for a ride, so do stay tuned for the upcoming videos to know where I'll be heading. I'll be heading real soon. Actually, I'm heading in 2 days. I haven't started packing. I haven't been preparing for my ride. I don't know why. I've been tangled up with a lot of last minute work, since the ride was a last minute plan for me. Yeah, one thing is Yatish is going to be riding with me, but for you guys to know where we are headed to, you gotta wait until the next vlog. So let's create a small suspense. That's my first time I'm actually getting a tire from elsewhere. Otherwise, SAI IYENGAR Tyres is my stop for all my tire solutions. Okay, they are quite busy, so we might be spending quite some time here. So this is where I come, SAI IYENGAR Tyres. He is just having his lunch, so We just had a small chat. He was eating, you know, disturbing. You will come here for all your tire solutions, and the man himself is here. See, he's having biryani. What to do? Tummy, biryani, everything.
As long as the pure Iyengar eating chicken biryani.
Pure Iyengar eating chicken biryani. So all regular bike, car, premium, any tire, you have to contact him. He'll sort things for you. But he didn't get it for me, you know. I had to purchase my tire this time. You know, like since how many years? I've been coming for 12 years.
Easily.
12 years I've been coming, and I never purchased a tire outside this store in my life. For the last 12 years, it's more than a decade. But for the first time, for my personal two-wheeler, he's made me purchase one outside. Can't help it.
Maybe I don't like you anymore. Huh?
I'll have to find a new place. We'll see branches of SAI IYENGAR. No. So we have to come here. Oh, no other issues. Our tube is good to go. Not a single puncture in it. There it is. Yeah. The tire goes in. Align the air valve to this yellow mark is what I've been told. Has to pop out there. It has to come out like this. We just have to inflate the tire and make sure that sits at the rim. This is our old tire. This was a Michelin's Rack Street. I used this for about 20,000 kilometers approximately, I think 18 or 20,000 kilometers. I got this fixed on the motorcycle when I left for Spiti. If you have not seen my Spiti videos, please go watch it. So now I need to hold the bike. Time to fix the one in the front now. Yes, see this? The front is a tube type and the rear is a tubeless. I'll show you. One second, where is it? It's written on only one side, I don't know why. Ah, here. See that? Let it come down. See? I'll see you. Thank
All
you.
the best. Ride safe.
Yes.
Come back in one piece.
We'll go for a
Find
ride.
a night Kashmiri woman, get married.
No. I know why people want me to get married so desperately, just because I'm traveling solo. So let's go back to Motovlog setup. Fine, then see ya. Okay, so let's go. Like that, we got the tires replaced, and now we'll be heading to meet Yatish. Yatish has been waiting for me for the past 3 days. Why I'm going to meet Yatish is because I want to just make sure that the Sena is in working condition and it syncs to his device. After the camera stopped working, I still don't trust the device now. So I want to make sure it's working before we start off the ride. And this cover hanging here is to be delivered to a friend of Ashwin's who stays in Indiranagar, where Yatish is put up. So we'll be going there. Ah yes, this is the place. I only come once, so wasn't sure about the route. The minute I came, he's asking me to come in for some reason. ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಹಾಂ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಾ?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಇದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆದು ಆ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿದೆ.
So Yatish with his new helmet, he's back in the vlog. We'll be riding together again, and we're already connected on the Senna. Senna is working fine. My Senna has no issues, his Senna has no issues.
The purpose of the meet was to
Test the Senna and check each other's bike. We're meeting after a long time. So all good. His bike is all set, my bike is all set here. So we'll be leaving in the next 36 hours. Yes, 36 hours, but we're not revealing where we're headed. So you'll watch the next video. I'll reveal it in that, obviously.
be a secret.
And no big secret in 36 hours is going to be revealed. So that's not a big headache. We need to get this washed, pampered a little before we start the ride. We need to go untie all this rock straps and bungee cord. Bungee cord ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಚೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕಲರ್
ಹಾಂ ತಂದ್ಬಿಡು. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ದ ಬಂಜಿ ಕೋಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ನಿಂದು ಆ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು, ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಕೇಬಲು.
ಅದೇನೇನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಮುಟ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅಂದೆ ನಾನು.
His mechanic has become confident in this bike. He had some major issues last time while riding. So this time all that is sorted. Hope to have no breakdowns. You want to do some Indian style puja before the video, please do it. Yeah.
So you will have 3 bags, right?
One, 2 saddle bags and 1 tank bag.
ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಸ್ ಡಬ್ಬ ಇದೆ.
Specs dabba. He is always booked one spot in the tank bag. My specs box has to go in there. Sena cable has to go in there. All this charging cables, iPhone cable, all this has to come into my tank bag. So I need to make space for that separately. And I myself have an extra box now. The GoPro Hero 9 box is separate. So tank bag is going to be fully packed this time. So he is full light luggage boy. I am the one carrying all the luggage for everyone. It's like that.
In the first episode. 36 hours and you'll get to reach the luggage is right up.
He has a bigger saddle bag. So he's stuffing everything into the saddle bag, and his saddle bag is rain proof. My saddle bags are just rain resistant. It is not waterproof. So I need an Enduristan rain bag to keep my
Extra luggage will go to Indiranagar.
see, I think I'll finish the vlog here itself at Yatish's place. I will not be vlogging all the way home. It's pointless doing it. So let's see in the next video.
Yeah, bye bye. Please subscribe.
So yeah, don't forget, you know the drill. Take care until the next video. Stay tuned and don't forget to stay notified.